Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Okay, today in this lesson, we are going to learn a computer mouse. Okay, we are going to learn about the computer mouse. Okay, um, a mouse is a part of computer. It has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It also has a long wire that is attached to the CPU box. You can see here in this mouse you will see this is long wire. Okay, a long wire, then the left button, right button, and in the center a scroll wheel. Okay, so these are all there. Okay, these are all there. Okay, this is called as mouse. Okay, these are all the parts also. And you can use a finger. Okay, you can use a finger to point at something. In the same way, you can use a mouse to point at icon on the computer screen. A mouse also helps to select and move icons on the screen. When you move the mouse, an arrow moves on the screen. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Okay, here you can see in the monitor, inside the monitor an arrow is there, no, that is called mouse pointer. Okay, you will control this pointer by using the by moving the mouse here and there. Okay, so you as soon as you shake the mouse, or you move upside or downside, left side or right side, the pointer also moves ups and down, left and right. Okay, this is how it works. Then using computer mouse. Okay, how how it can be used. You should place a mouse on the mouse pad. Okay, on the mouse pad only we have to keep it. This pad helps to move the mouse smoothly. It also keeps the mouse free from dust. Okay, it also keeps the mouse free from dust, and it will allow the wheel to move smoothly. Okay, mouse to move smoothly. Okay, then you can hold a mouse with either the left hand or right hand to use it. Okay, whichever is convenient to you. Okay, left hand side or right hand side. Aryan holds the mouse with right hand because he is right hand person. Okay, then Pinky holds the mouse with the left hand because Pinky is left-handed person. Okay, so whichever is comfortable you can use it. Okay, the first computer mouse was made of wood and had two metal wheels. Okay, the first computer mouse was made of wood and had two metal wheels. Then, to use a mouse, rest your palm and hold on it gently. Your thumb should be on one side and the ring finger and little finger should be on the other side of the mouse. See here, a picture shows you how to use it. Okay, which finger should be on which place. Okay, the middle finger should be the right button, and the pointing finger should be on the second finger, should be on the index finger, should be on the left side button, and the thumb and rest finger should hold the mouse. Okay, so these are all the this is how you should hold the mouse. Okay, then holding a mouse with the right hand. Okay, with the right hand, keep your index finger on the left mouse button and middle finger on the right mouse button. Okay, like this, like picture shows, you have to hold the buttons. Holding a mouse with the left hand. If you are using left hand, okay, then keep your index finger on the right mouse button and middle finger on the left mouse button. Okay, this is how you should change and keep it. Okay, change and hold it. Okay, then mouse action. Okay, what is mouse action? Try pressing a button on the mouse. Did you hear the sound? Click. Yes. Yes, you did. Pressing the button on the mouse is called clicking. Okay. If you press the button once, then it is called clicking. Let us learn about some of the action that we can do using mouse button and the scroll wheel. Okay. Now before going to see that activity, we will finish up this true or false. Okay, see here, a mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Is this true or not? Yes, of course, left button, right button and the scroll wheel. So it has two button and a scroll wheel, so it is true. A wire connects a mouse to the CPU box. Yes, it is true. Okay, mouse is connected with the CPU box. A mouse should always be kept on the keyboard. Okay, on the keyboard. Is it true? No, on the mouse pad only we have to keep it. Okay, so it is false statement. Okay, a mouse should be turned sideways while clicking. No. Okay, it has to be in straight only. Only the button we should click. Okay, you can use a mouse with only your left hand. No, it is not like that. We can use any hand. Okay, left hand or right hand, whatever we can. Okay, we will continue the mouse action now. Okay, see here, to left click, press the left mouse button once and release it. Okay, the left click, you can see a circle pointed here. Okay, then we generally use the term click for left click, and you can use a click to select an icon on the screen. Okay, so just one click will open the program, that's it. Okay, then what is double click? Means click means twice you are clicking immediately. Okay, click like that. Okay, to double click, press the left mouse button twice quickly and release it. Okay, so you can use a double click to open an icon on the screen. Okay, then one click will select and double click will open. Okay, this is how you should remember. Okay, so this is how the computer mouse will work. Okay, then right click. Okay, what is right click? You can see the right hand side button circled. Okay, to right click, press and release the right mouse button. Press and release the right mouse button once. A right click opens a list of options that you can use. Okay, that is what are all the options. Everything will be seen. A pop-up drop down menu will appear. From that you can choose your own option. Okay, so what all is there? You can delete and create document, and you can rename, and you can open, you can manage, and you can see the properties. So these are all the options available in the drop down menu. Okay, then what is scrolling? A scroll wheel is there, no? So what is the use of that? Scrolling, you can roll the scroll wheel of the mouse up and down. This is called scrolling. Okay, scrolling, the mouse moves a page up and down on the screen. Okay, this will move your page up and down. Okay, so that it is useful for that. Okay, now see here, you can see many shape like a toys. These are all mouse only. Now these are all available in different color, in different shape, and in the different model. You can see a red chili, you can see one penguin, you can see one bug, you can see one tortoise. Okay, you can see one mouse. okay, a teddy. So these are all the shapes available in different design. These are all mouse only available in the market. Okay, this, I think we have come to end of this lesson. Okay, we have come to end of this lesson. Listen kids, I am sending all the book back exercises, okay, all the book back exercises through WhatsApp. Okay, except the question answers, you will write all the exercises only in the textbook. Okay, you will copy everything only in the textbook, including the true or false, okay, activity what we have done. Okay, including this true or false activity what we have done. Okay, this also I will send you through your WhatsApp group. Okay, except the question answers. Okay, the question answers alone you will write in your classwork. Okay, the question answer alone you will write in your classwork. Your classwork should be neat and clean. Okay, should be neat and clean. Write neatly, write cleanly. Okay, and write with a cursive handwriting. Okay, and write the title name, okay, lesson name, and then put the Roman letter and write the name neatly. Then you write the question answers. Okay, I think now we have come to end of this lesson. Okay, we yes, that's all. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Till that, I'll take leave. Okay, we will meet you in the next session. Hope you understood this lesson. Okay, I will send you the other content in the WhatsApp. Okay kids, bye.